Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. I am here checking on my seedlings. So I'm starting to transfer all my seedlings. Uy, wala, may bunga na pala yung bush beans ko. So fast. Ni hindi ko pa nalilipat. That's my other bean. This is a yellow bean and that's another bean. Ang bilis nitong magmunga. Oh, namumunga na siya. This is my strawberries. I'm about to transfer that, but I think it's safe here kasi hindi pumupunta rito yung mga rabbit and squirrels. And I just transplanted my kale. I just transplanted it kanina. And later, I will transplant all this. Siling pansigang. Medyo marami siya. And these are the eggplants. Medyo mabagal silang lumaki because it's still a little cold here in my area. And this is my bok choy. Maliliit pa rin, no? Tagal palakihin. This is Hungarian peppers. And these are my other seedlings. These are peas. They are actually ready to be transplanted to their permanent location, but I haven't set up their location yet. And this one is my arugula. This one is pretty nice. They're looking pretty good. And these are my beefsteak tomatoes, my red cherry tomatoes. These are my kale. That's kale. These are my cucumbers. And these are the broccoli. I'm kind of busy today transplanting all these seedlings. These are my other Hungarian peppers. Kata-transfer ko lang kanina. And I like to show you guys my calamansi. I did an experiment last winter. So, hindi ko siya pinasok sa bahay like I usually did. Because I usually just overwinter it at home. But this time I left it outside, although the back deck is closed in. It's still lost its leaves, but now it's growing. So yeah, positive. So they can grow, even though, so you can actually leave them in the winter. They will just grow back. These are my blueberries. They're actually doing pretty good. This blueberry is like 5 years old. Okay. Yan yung aking blueberries, guys. This variety actually nagbo-bloom siya during winter time. I mean springtime. But this one is a different variety. Wala siyang bunga. And these are my oreganos or oregano. It's actually a perennial plant. So, second year niya. That's a mint. Babalik din yan. This is my oregano. Ang ganda nila. Oh. I'm about to, I think I'll just leave it here. This is my little garden, guys. I'm actually still planning to put more beds on that side. Hindi ko pa nagagawa. Tina-transplant ko muna yung mga halaman. So this is the perennial bed. So I have asparagus. And these are the onion springs. Matagal na to onion springs ko, siguro 3 taon na to. Nilipat ko na siya dito sa bed since perennial siya. It doesn't die during winter. So nilipat ko na siya. This is the bed for perennial. And these are my strawberries. So meron na akong hinog. Actually, it's a little tricky to grow strawberries. They come back every year, pero ang kalaban mo is rabbits and squirrels sa pag-harvest. That's why I put some net para hindi nila makuha. Para hindi nila ako maagawan. And this is my carrots. This is my carrots bed that I directly sown last March 21st. And they're starting to grow. So I'm still waiting for the other ones to grow, to pop up. Late ko na lang to nilagyan ng ng mulch. They're starting to grow. Medyo matagal silang mag-germinate. This is the bed that I will have for my spinach and arugula. Siguro lettuce doon. Hindi ko pa siya naayos, so I'm still working on it. And this is the bed for my radish and beets. So, I need more soil. I will put up. Tataniman ko na yan this week siguro yung radish. And this is my kangkong which I just planted today. So this is my kangkong. I have to soak it in the water for 2 days. And then ngayon, today is the second day. Ang laki ng seed ng kangkong. So dito yung kangkong. Ngayon ko siya. Ayan guys. So this is my small. Hindi pa siya ayos. I'm still putting some more beds. But yung bed na yun, ayun, ililipat ko yun dito. Gagawin kong anuhan ng broccoli. Kasi meron akong 10 broccoli seedlings. So medyo marami siya. Tapos malaki yun pag lumaki. Yun lang. Bye-bye.